if you're honest, and you're like most of us, you will admit that you don't love to clean. In fact, you may hate to clean. My husband, God bless him, he loves to clean. Me, not so much. You are gonna wanna get to know this lady right here. Our next guest is a cleaning expert whose book, website, and online videos have helped millions clean. And she's gonna give us her top cleaning tips. She's the author of Clean My Space. Her name is Melissa Maker, but this is what I love about her best. Melissa doesn't do this because she loves to clean. She does this because she hates to clean. I mean, that's the sales pitch. So how did you come into this being your specialty in your profession if it's something you truly hate to do?
Okay, so good question. I saw an opportunity because I hated doing it. I knew other people hated doing it, so I thought there's got to be something here. So I started a cleaning company in 2006 in Toronto, where I'm from.
Right.
And then in 2011, we started making YouTube videos. Those started to help people. A lot of people were like, yeah, I hate cleaning too, help me. So that's what happened.
It's brilliant anti-marketing, if you think about it.
It's honest marketing. So cleaning a mirror, you know, there is an art to it, but the first thing I want to say is paper towels. We're not using paper towels to clean mirrors anymore.
They leave the little dusty things.
They do. They leave lint, they leave streaks, they get wet, you gotta replace them. It's a lot of work. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that in a sec. But the first thing I wanna do, because I'm all about recipes, kind of like you, is make up a glass cleaning recipe. So
Nice.
I've got half a cup here of water.
Okay.
Always easy to start with water, right? And then
Right.
I've got half a cup of white vinegar.
White vinegar, underused ingredient.
Okay, now this one's cool. This is cornstarch. We're putting that into glass
Really?
cleaner. Yes.
Shut the door.
I'm opening the door. This is a good thing.
What? You want to make your mirror crispy or what?
We're not crisping up, but the cornstarch actually helps to remove any hardened on dirt, hairspray, that kind of stuff that you get on the mirror.
I did not know this.
Yeah, so this is really cool. Again, pantry items, so simple, right?
Trying to shove the rest of the cornstarch in there.
Yeah, we don't want to lose any of the cornstarch action.
Gotcha.
So once this is done, you can just give it a really good shake.
Okay.
And then we're gonna head over to the mirror.
Okay.
And I've got here a microfiber cloth. So microfiber cloths are life-changing for cleaning, guys. If you haven't used them, you gotta start using them. They remove streaks and lint, not like paper towels. So,
Wow, this person just went to their bathroom and just shoved their face across the mirror.
it was not pretty. So give it a good spritz, top to bottom. Awesome. So I'm gonna show you the right way to clean a mirror, and then I'm gonna show you the wrong way to clean a mirror. So the right way is what I call the S pattern. We start over here, we swing back this way, and we do a nice little S over here. And what you'll notice is my arm's not exhausted, I'm not leaving streaks and marks behind, and most importantly, if I'm doing this, which is how most people clean, right?
Right.
Okay, this is taking a clean space, a clean cloth, and then wiping dirt all over the surface, so you're just having to work a lot harder. So this thing over here, the S pattern,
Okay.
thank you. This is the new way to clean. So we just do a little...